Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, September 29th, 2021, second in our Bitcoin series. I've overlaid the 10-minute Cosmodyne chart on top of the 10-minute Vedic chart. We had the two windows overnight, which I mentioned yesterday. We were moving off of this low in the first window, in the bright green B1 window. We got a good bounce out of there. Then we made two new lows inside the next timing window. So I've got the 10-minute Cosmodyne chart overlaid here, and I marked blue vertical lines on some of the more important Cosmodyne pivot points. You can see how all of these points have marked out pretty good turns on the 10-minute chart. So you can use these tools together. The Cosmodyne can also be used for trend. It's explained in the book how to follow the green and blue line for the trend and where the trend will flip. Like, for instance, you may hit a low here and you're running up. This high becomes a low, but there are certain points where these bumps take place where this may invert. So when you know where the inversions may come, it's easy to either stay with it or reverse it. But these are all pretty good points that I've got marked here on the Cosmodyne bumps. When you're new to this, you can look at just the peaks and the valleys alone, but over time you'll realize that even the small bumps in the center of these moves will give you pivot points like this. The two little bumps here gave you these two pivot points on this move up where my cursor is. So we're going to leave that there. That just drops the Cosmodyne in on the timing window chart. We'll come back with another video. We'll take a look at how the pH and rainbow can interact on Bitcoin as well. So we'll probably have a couple more videos on Bitcoin. I'll give you guys an idea how it works on crypto. The one thing you have to realize with astro indicators, the astro energy affecting the Earth is affecting everything on the Earth. So if we're looking at one market compared to another, we may get, on these energy points, we may get a high in one market, we may get a low in another market. We may have one pivot on one energy point, maybe a really strong reversal point on one market. It may just trigger a small corrective move on another market. But that part of it, that's just part of trading that we have to deal with when we put trades on. If you use price and pattern structure in with the pivot points, you're going to do really well with that. So that's it. That's a little bit of Cosmo overlaid on top. We'll be back again. We'll take a look at some of the other tools in the next video.